Hi, welcome. In this video, we will teach the MACD indicator. In the previous videos, we taught the RSI and stochastic indicators. I will teach you where to use MACD. What strategy can be had with MACD? We only receive two types of signals from MACD because this indicator has a long delay. First, you need to make a change in this indicator. This indicator has two lines, MACD line and signal line, which should be removed from the settings because it has a long delay. These greens and reds are called histogram bars. You get the signal using the histogram bars. There are divergences that allow us to predict prices in the future. Let's go to the chart by showing a divergence case. Do not use divergence alone, be sure to enter into a deal with technical analysis and get approval from the indicator. See, the histogram made a higher peak. Let's see what happened to the price. You can see that the exact opposite has happened to histograms. This is called direct divergence. And a hidden divergence also occurs for the red histogram. Let's see the hidden divergence on the chart. I found a number. The price has formed a new floor, but MACD has formed a floor higher than its previous one. The price has reached a support. MACD has diverged and the price has risen. You can see the range of support and resistance I taught in the previous videos. Let me find another example. I hope this video helps you have a better business. Please subscribe to the channel and watch other videos.